Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2008 Toyota Camry. I'm going to go over how you get your vehicle to go into neutral via the park safety switch, or the manual park safety switch. So the key won't work, or the battery's dead, or whatever, and you need to get your vehicle towed. There is a way to put your car into neutral, and so to start with, you need to pop this little cover here. And then once that cover's popped, you just gotta push the tab down here, and that way you can put it into neutral, and then vice versa. Once it goes back up into park, it won't go back down unless you push the tab to be able to put it into neutral. So then once you get the car towed or pushed off the road, you can just push it back up into park. You don't have to be pushing that down to push it into park. And then get the repairs made and go back to driving. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.